How to turn on sensitive content control on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on sensitive content control in Instagram. So this one is help you to limit your limit videos, sensitive videos and posts on Instagram. All you need to do is go to your Instagram, click on your profile and click on those three lines up there. Now click on setting. Now click on account. Scroll down and click on sensitive content control and turn on limit. You may see some photos and videos that could be upsetting or offensive. Content in Explore has always been filtered at this level. So turn on this one, and you can also limit even more. You may see fewer photos and videos that could be upsetting or offensive. Turn on this one, click on OK, and choose whatever you want. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.